Hello and welcome to VR Sauce, your one-stop shop for virtual reality games, tutorials, and much more. Today I'll be giving you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to have your YouTube live chat visible on stream. This method will also work with Facebook Live and Twitch. The streaming software that we'll be using is called Streamlabs OBS, but this method should also work on vanilla OBS, or regular OBS if you want to call it that. The chat program that we will be using today is called Restream. If you have any questions regarding any of the steps in the tutorial, feel free to leave me a comment, or you can ask me personally at my Discord. By the way, the links for everything that I just mentioned will be in the description. Guys, if you do find this video helpful at all and this video was at all valuable to you, consider hitting that like and subscribe button. Helps out this channel so much. I know I say that every video, but you know I got it. I'm also a small-time streamer on Twitch. Come check me out over there. Again, links for everything in the description. Alright, now that all that has been said, let's get started with the tutorial. We'll see you in there. Alright, first things first, we're gonna head over to Restream.com and make ourselves an account. If you don't know how to make an account, I don't know how to help. Alright, I'll wait. Make your account. Alright, now that you've made your account, let's log in. Once you have logged in, you should be presented with this page. As you can see, my Twitch is already logged in. You shouldn't have anything here at the moment. Let's add our YouTube channel now. So we press Add Channel. YouTube. Press Connect YouTube. Right here, I don't want to show you guys my emails, but pick your account, log into your YouTube account and authorize it. My account is VR Sauce, so that's the one I'll be going into. Restream wants to access your Google account VR Sauce and allow it. Okay, once that has gone through, just press save. We have successfully added our YouTube channel, VR Sauce. Now that we have our YouTube channel linked, let's go to the chat portion of this tutorial. We'll go ahead and click right here. And we have Chat app. Open that. At this point, you can download the Chat app. You can use it for a lot of different things that I'm not going to get into in this tutorial. I'm just going to go with the online browser app at the moment. Now that you have your chat app open, look at the bottom left corner for the orange circle with R in it. If you click it, it'll show you all the channels that you have signed up with Restream. At the moment, I have my Twitch account and YouTube account linked. This is very important. If you are not live, you cannot access YouTube chat. You cannot do anything with YouTube chat. Our next step is to embed this chat into our stream. The way we do that is we go to settings, embed in stream. We click embed in stream, and here you have all the options for background opacity, scaling, the type of text that you want, but we'll come back to this in a second. For now, what we want is to copy this embedded link. It's copied. Next step, we have to embed this in our streaming software. So I told you I'm using Streamlabs OBS, so let's head over there now. Sorry about the mirror effect, guys. I'm using Streamlabs OBS to actually record this tutorial. So we'll work around it, no problem. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have our chat visible right here in this little square. I'm not gonna fit it perfectly, but we'll see. Next step, we have to add a new source to our current scene. How we do that is by pressing +sign right here. Then we go to browser source. I'm just going to double click. Don't worry about all of these. If you're just starting off using Streamlabs OBS, this will probably be empty. We're going to add a new source instead. We click right here. I'm going to call it Restream Chat. There we go. Add source. All right. Over here under URL, we have to paste your embedded link from Restream. And paste. Now, in order to see what you just pasted, in order to refresh this, you press refresh cast to current page. And boom! There's Restream chat available in your game. You can resize it but as you can see, that makes the text too small. So let's figure out a way to have it here. How about this? We'll size it to the point where we like the size of the text. I think that's a good size for the text. We go back to our browser source setting, and let's play with our width a little bit. It's at 800 right now. Looks like if we go halfway through, it's roughly 400. Oh, that's 4,000. We don't want that. Okay, roughly 400. So we're still a little bit over. That's fine. That's fine. We weren't going for perfection. I'm just showing you guys how to do this. All right, now let's shorten the bottom a little bit. Go back to settings. It's at 600. Let's bring it down to, let's say, 500. Boom. 515. So we're touching that bottom line. Boom. That's it. Now we have chat available right here. But do we really like that weird blue square in the back? No, you want to be able to see through your chat. You want to be able to see the game. You don't want to block part of your screen. So in order to make the background of our chat box disappear, we have to go back to our online browser chat app and go to the chat background opacity. This is what controls the background opacity. I personally like my background opacity to be 0 because that opens up the most amount of space possible on screen without covering too much. You can change the scale of your text right here. Mine was at 120. I don't want to change it. And you can also pick how long the message hangs out on stream. I like to keep it at a 60-second. You can also have it so it doesn't disappear ever. Okay, now that you've done all the settings that you want, we go back to Streamlabs OBS again. We open our browser source setting and press refresh current page. See, as soon as we do that, our background opacity is at 0%, no more box. I'm gonna send some test chats. Test, 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 test. All right, and there you have it, guys. A quick and dirty tutorial on how to have your YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, Mixer, whatever chat you want visible on your stream. And as always, thank you guys all so much for watching. If you guys found this video helpful at all, please hit that like and subscribe button. Helps out this channel like crazy. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, or you're having some problems with something else that you need me to make a tutorial about, please feel free to leave me a comment below or follow me on Twitch and Discord. We can talk, we can chat, figure out what the issue is, and come to a solution. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. Have a great day. Peace.